Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to optimize your Shopify store for SEO. So let's begin. So here we are in our Shopify, and from here what we're going to do first is go here into online store, click here, and you can see the blog right here or the pages. You can also do the same steps that I'm going to show you right here. So you can do it for your blog post and your pages right here. But what we are going to do as an example today is the products right here. Because you can do this because I have a product right here as an example compared to the theme. The blog post and pages which I don't have. So let's go to the products, and from here this will be our sample for today. So remember that you can do everything that I'm going to do right here in the blog post and pages. So first let's go to the bottom and go for the search engine listing so that we can modify our SEO. So click on edit. And from here we have the page title. So the recommended one for this is it's around 60 characters. So as you can see, I use ChatGPT for this example. So I will be going to name our page title as this one right here. And you can also do the same in using an AI, but it really depends on you and how you would like to strategize your SEO. So in my case, it'll be just like this. It's very simple. So I'll just go and copy this right here. And for the meta description, the recommended characters for that is 150 to 160, although you have 320 limit of characters used. So it really depends on you. It's just my recommendation. So with this, it's successfully optimized for SEO. So once you're done with this, you can click here on save. Just like that. And if you'd like to optimize the H1 tag also, then you can just go here and optimize the title so that you can optimize the H1 tag. So in my case, I'll just not go and change anything right here because I think this is enough for me. But if you want to modify your H1 tag, then you can do it by modifying your title. And next one is if you want to modify your alt text in your images. So you want to just click here. And remember, if you haven't saved your product, your blog post or pages yet, then you can open this right here. You can modify the alt text. So you need to save it first in order for you to open this. So let's go click here on add alt text so that we can go and describe this. So this is simply a black sunglass, just like that. I think that is enough for this example. So yeah, I guess you already know the purpose of an alt text. So in case that this doesn't load, then the viewer could still view this description right here, so it would know, or he or she would know what picture is being shown right here when it's not loading. And that's basically it in optimizing your Shopify store for SEO. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.